welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you, for quick and healthy breakfast recipes that you can prepare in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the first recipe, fruit oatmeal. For this recipe, you'll need rolled oats, your choice of fruits, and some honey for sweetness. Next up, we have the egg sandwich. You'll need eggs, whole wheat bread, and your favorite sandwich fillings like lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Now, let's move on to the milk oat porridge. This recipe requires milk, oats, and a touch of cinnamon for flavor. Last but not least, we have the fruit cup. You can use a variety of fruits like berries, bananas, and grapes. It's a refreshing and nutritious option. These recipes are perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy breakfast. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tutorials.